In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Milanote for your mood boards. So here, I just let me open it on my Chrome, my browser, and I want to sign up because I don't have an account. I will sign up to create an account. So put in the details and the password. Alright, so you hit this, and you might not necessarily need this except if you want to get some mails from there. Send occasional news and updates. So click on submit. So let's wait for it. Alright, so I'm going to say I'm a freelancer, a creative agency. I work in a creative or marketing team. Whatever, anyone you choose will still work for you, and you can decide to skip. But I would love to choose it. So I'm a graphic designer. What best describes you? You can choose it. Man illustrator, picture editor. I don't know that. Do that really not 12 times. Okay, the creative director. So, how many people work at a company? You can choose anyone. You can choose just you. Let's go to Pinterest. So imagine I want to work on the church flyer, and here any church flyer, and just stay to the end of the video. I'm going to tell you the importance of this as a graphic designer. Alright, so for me, I love this design, so I can choose to download it. Let me see, there should be a download button here, but I can't find it. So I love the way they arrange this space. Let me see up there. Okay. Maybe the way they place the logo here. So this is what I'm talking about. So be able to click and trigger me options to download. Alright, so after you've created your account, you just click on board, drag it here, and you name the board. Let me say church design project. Alright, so you open it by double clicking, and you choose what you want to achieve with it. So for me, I'm going to choose mood board. So I will click on use this template. Alright, so mood boards are, you can upload elements like colors, fonts, design, just mention the shapes into your mood boards just to have an overview of what you want to achieve. So here I'm going to upload some designs that I love, their style and everything like that. So this helped me to bring all the flyers or whatever design project that give me inspiration, or that's going to help me in my new projects. So here I'm going to upload some design projects and some things I might need. So imagine I'm going to use this in my design. I will upload it here. Click on this, so I will be fast with this place. Just know that every object I'm using here, are just for the sake of this class, not that I'm going to use in many projects. Right, so here let's come to the color because we still have some other things. So let's choose gold. So we're going to search for color code, gold color code. Right, so this is it. Let me copy that. Now paste it here, and then I'll click on enter on my keyboard or return on Mac. So you can see that the gold color surface immediately after I do that. So let's look for another color. Alright, so this is it. So if this is all I'm going to use in my design, I already have the picture. Let's see if we can have the tests. So we have an option for tests, so I'm going to include that. So I'm going to drag and drop it here. So if I'm going to use let's say Montserrat, I don't know if that's correct. Okay, Montserrat. So I'll just look for it. Okay, I want it bold, and yeah, I think that's all the option for that. So here I've include that I'm going to use Montserrat in my design. So here I can have everything I want to use, and this will help you to know what you're doing, and it will also hasten up your design process because already you have all the tools you are going to use in a box. So this is what they call ideation process. So if you don't know what ideation process is, it's just what you do in my own language. I would say is what you do before you do what you need to do. All right, so I'm just saying that you have to put some things in place before you actually start doing something. So this will help you to be focused while you're working on your design project. So here I can now open my Photoshop. So let's wait for it. All right, so here I have my Photoshop. So let me create a new project. So imagine this is my artboard for my design. So from here I can navigate here on and off just to shape. Okay, what have I not used? Okay, this is what I want to use, so I can just come here, put it there, go back again. Okay, I've not used the picture. I can just move the picture. Is it possible? No. So I already know that this is the picture I'm going to use. So I'll just go to open my file explorer and bring it here and all like that. So you can follow me for more videos like this, and thank you for following. Please like, share, and drop your comments. Let me know if there's other apps you use for your mood boards. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye for now.